Hello friends, welcome to my channel Codecraft Shop. My name is Sailesh Kushwaha and in this tutorial we will learn how to install Ubuntu 20.04 on Windows 10, network connectivity for internet services in Ubuntu. Then we will have a demo. But before going forward, I will request all of you to go to my previous videos so that we can use the concepts in the demo. So we will begin the demo shortly. Go to Windows and then search for Hyper-V Manager. Open Hyper-V Manager and then there you will find an option Quick Create. Click on it and create a virtual machine. Select Ubuntu 20.04 from the options and then click on Create Virtual Machine. It will verify the image and then will extract the image and create a virtual machine Ubuntu 20.04 on your laptop. So it has extracted the image. It is configuring the virtual adapters and the virtual hard disk. Now it's been installed and then we will connect to the Ubuntu 20.04 virtual machine. We will start the virtual machine. Select Ubuntu. Then we will select the system configurations, language and the time zone. We will select the time zone as India and then we will continue. We will configure the system like the name of the system and username and passwords. So Codecraft Shop is the username and I have configured the password for the same, so that the next time I will log in using my credentials. Now all the changes have been applied. I will log into my system. Now I'm getting a message that activation of network failed. So means at this time we do not have any network connectivity, internet connectivity on this system. We will look into the issue. We do not have internet connectivity right now. So what I will do is like I will check into the network virtual switches. We will go to the virtual switch manager and check whether which network adapter is been configured, which virtual switch we have selected for this virtual machine. So Codecraft shop, I have already created a external virtual switch, Codecraft shop. So I will use that adapter for my machine. So under the settings, I will change the adapter to Codecraft shop. Here you will find an option, network adapters. At this moment default switch is being selected, so we will replace this with our external virtual switch, that is Codecraft shop. I will click on the network adapters and then we will get the option to change the network adapter. We will select Codecraft shop and then apply the changes. Now I will log in into the system once again to see whether the network adapters are working or not. So now we can see that we have the network bars over there. So it means that we have internet connectivity. I will check it into the browser. So I will Google something inside Firefox. So now you can see that I am able to search some text over the internet, so which indicates that now I am able to connect it with the virtual machine. Thank you guys for watching this demo. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel if you haven't. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter at the handle CodeCraft Shop. Thank you guys for your support.